What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and hit that bell for notifications. That way, each time I send out a video, you'll be notified and you can stay up to date on the updated information I send out. All right, this right here is the do-it-yourself credit repair that I've put together for you. Some people want my company to do it for you, which is great. And some people just want to do it themselves, which is also great. I put in this kit right here together. I have two separate kits. You might be in a different category. You might just want got collections or something. Somebody might have collections, hospital bills, and check systems. They can get a bank account. I put together a do-it-yourself kit. We'll get down to that at the bottom of this. But right here, when you come to creditrepairhelp247.com, again, that is creditrepairhelp247.com. It's going to go over everything with you. It shows you the methods that we use, the 609 Fair Reporting Act. Did I say that? Yeah, Fair Credit Reporting Act. Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act does not care whether a negative account is valid or not. Did you get that? It does not care whether your account is valid or not. These letters dispute the credit reporting agency's right to report that account, not whether or not the account is valid or not. They got to hold its paperwork. They got to hold the paperwork, the actual or a copy of the actual signed document uh, whenever you got that account. If they don't have that, they're reporting this illegally. And if they can't prove it, they must remove it. Delete, delete, delete. Hospital bills, delete. Collections, delete. Charge-offs, delete. Bankruptcies, delete. It doesn't matter. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. All right, we scroll on down here. It's a do-it-yourself kit, easy to use, powerful tools, dispute letters included, and you don't have to start building your credit again with secured credit cards. No secure credit cards. We actually show you what they get right there. Helps boost your credit all the way up to a $10,000 trade line, all metal. All metal card right there. Every time you take that card and you just, we call it boss tossing, and you go to pay your bill, just toss it up on the counter. Um, every time I've done it, people have always said, "Wow, man, this card's heavy," or what kind of card is this? It gives you it's a conversation piece right there. But not only does it boost your credit, you can earn money off of it too. You get rewards. I mean, rewards like Rolex watches, travel vacations, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. I mean, I know people right now are making thousands of dollars each week just off of that right there. And I just got it just for the fact that it helps boost your credit. It adds a trade line onto your credit reports, up to $1,000 to $10,000. If you want everything that we talk about is below this video in the description. All the links down there. How to get started after purchase. Very easy, do-it-yourself, step-by-step instructions. I'm going to personally walk you through the entire process from pulling your credit report to sending the certified letters and everything in between. Right. You need to know where to pull your credit. You got to know where to pull that, and you want to pull all three of them. I'll show you where to pull it for $1. $1 or absolutely free. And in there, you're going to get your account numbers that you need to dispute. It's going to be something like 654XXXXX. It doesn't matter that you don't have the whole account number. They know once you send your disputes in. Right here are the packages that I have. I have a basic package. It's the 609 dispute letters and ebook. It's got medical collections, 4 HIPAA medical disputes, and 2 hard inquiry dispute letters. Right there. And then the standard package right here is a one-time fee of $27. You get everything in the basic package, plus you get check systems to know how to get out of check systems, dispute letters, how to sue and win, dispute tax liens, medical dispute letters, HIPAA ebook, bankruptcy, two hard inquiry letters, and student loans right there. Now, some people don't want to take the time out to do it themselves, and that I understand that. I mean, this can be a little process right here. It actually is a process. Or you can go to the advanced package, which is $69 a month, and we do everything for you. You get a back office, you get up to date information to see our progress of what we're doing for you, how we're the items that we challenge, the items that come back deleted, removed, verified, and the other question I get is, how long does this take? This it's a timely process because first, the first letters go out, we want them to verify. And most of the time they send the letters back, oh, it's been verified, but it's not been verified. They have this something called an e-Oscar system, and it just sends letters. It's like these codes right here, and you can get a letter sent that says verified, and they didn't do nothing. So once we got the letter that says it's verified, if they didn't delete it or remove it, and it says verified, we're going to send our next letter. How did you verify it? So a method of validation right there. We want to see how you verified it, and most of the times right there, it gets removed because they got 30 days to do this, and then they got to go to the collection agencies. And what we do is we send a two-pronged attack. We send one valid method of validation to the credit bureaus and one to the collection agencies. Well, they have 30 days to do this, and to get back with you. With creditors, they got to get back with you within 30 days. They cannot respond to the credit bureau's request until they get done with you, which most of the time lapses past the 30 days. So, I mean, there's several methods. These are methods that I use. Just giving out my secret sauce here on some things. But yeah, we know what we're doing here. If you want to do it yourself, we have the kits for you. If not, and you want us to do it for you, right there, $69 a month. Not only that, we're adding business credit. Yeah, we're adding business credit. We want to show you how to start a corporation, LLC, and then get you an EIN number. And then right there, even if you're in check systems or whatever, if you got a business corporation LLC, you can get a checking account, a bank account in your business name. It doesn't matter because it don't fall on you; it falls on the business, the EIN number, the corporation. Um, and then you can start, no matter if you got bad credit whatsoever, this is in a company's name, corporation that you form, and you can start building credit that way too also. And some of the differences between credit, business credit and personal credit, personal credit, every time that you go out and apply for credit, it hurts you. It's called a hard inquiry. Well, if you're a corporation or a business and you go out there and do it, it doesn't hurt you whatsoever. You could go apply 1,000 times. It's not going to hurt you whatsoever. And then starting out with the building your credit, you want to start with tier 1. You want to get at least 4 reporting tier 1's net 30 accounts. And what net 30 is means you pay everything within the 30 days. Pay everything on time within that 30 days. And after you do that, for each company, each trade line, and you buy about 3 or 4 things off of each one, and you can go to tier 2. And then you can go to, again, like Sears cards, Best Buy cards, Staples cards, and then from there it goes on up to Home Depot, MasterCards, Visas, unsecured lines, just for your business. This right here, we're going to be including in our package, which is $69 a month. So not only are you getting your credit repaired, but we show you how to go out there and start a business. You might already have a business. We show you how to get a corporation, LLC started. That way you can go get your checking account opening in your business name, and then you just start getting credit, the tier 1s, and building credit. No personal guarantee, and it's not affecting your personal credit because your personal credit is nowhere own your business credits. Two separate forms of identity here. Corporation is its own entity, separate from you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Uh, Credit Repair Help 247.com, Credit Repair Help 247.com. Come right here, pick your package out. I'm always on Facebook. You can reach me at the link below. Facebook, message me. I'd be glad to help you out. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.